Hi there. Now to draw a pair of cherries in love or cherries, heart cherries. Anyway, let's start with these two curves like that, joined at the top. And then we're going to draw a couple of hearts. So these are like the cherries. And we'll draw another one like that. And then we'll draw a pair of leaves on the top. So two more curves. And then we want to come out like that and around, and we come around like that, and then we come in like that, and then we can put some veins in on the leaves of the cherries like that. And then finally, to make it look nice and shiny, put little blobs there. So these are reflections of the sunlight on the cherries. I think I'm going to call them sweetheart cherries. Thanks for watching and subscribing so you can come back and do lots more drawing videos or draw stuff real easy. Bye.